Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make clicking the wallpaper always show the desktop on Mac. So macOS include a feature that lets you quickly reveal your desktop by simply clicking on the empty area of wallpaper. While you click the desktop, all the open windows temporarily move out the way so you can easily access files, folder, widgets and screenshots on your desktop. Clicking an app window again brings everything back. So this settings gives you two choices. You can make this behavior work all the time or only while you are using Stage Manager. If you frequently access file store on your desktop, keeping this feature enabled on your Mac all the time makes switching between windows or desktop much quicker. So if you want clicking the wallpaper to always reveal your desktop, here's what you have to do. First, you have to click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here in Desktop and Stage Manager, click on the drop down menu right to click wallpaper to show desktop and make sure to choose always. And that's it. From now on, whenever you click the empty area of your wallpaper, macOS move all your open window aside to reveal your desktop whether Stage Manager is enabled or not. So even if you disable Stage Manager and you click on the empty area of desktop wallpaper, as you can see, everything moves aside and you can quickly access whatever file or folder you want to access from your desktop. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.